Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fine at your home and doing studies well. Students, already we have done here the multiplication properties or multiplication of rational numbers with rational numbers. Now, today we will discuss here the division of rational numbers. Our today's topic is division of rational numbers. As you have already done the properties of rational numbers of addition with the operation addition, subtraction, multiplication, and today we will discuss here the properties or division of rational numbers with rational numbers. So students, let's see there what will comes there the result. There is same here as the subtraction properties, you know as well. There I have told you that you have seen these properties results in the division also. Addition and multiplication properties are just like that, but properties of subtraction and division operations properties are some different. Some properties are doesn't hold there. So students, you are seeing here as well as you have done in the subtraction properties, you are seeing here also the same properties. Division of rational numbers is same as the product of the first by the reciprocal of the second. Division of rational numbers, it means divide x divided by y. Division of two rational numbers is same as just like that x is multiplied by inverse reciprocal of multiplicative inverse of y or reciprocal of y. Both are the same here. If you want to do that division of rational numbers, it means you have to do x into y inverse. Students, you know as well 1 divided by 3. 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. You want to divide both the terms. Then what will you do here? Yes, as you can also have it done in the previous classes. To solve these type of problems, we are multiplying here that this denominator becomes the numerator here. This is 3 and this numerator is denominator here. You are doing this. Then what is this here? This is the reciprocal of y. You are seeing there. This is the number 2 by 3 and reciprocal of this number is equals to the 3 by 2. You know, and you are doing already this method, you know about it. But today we will discuss here the reciprocal product of any two rational numbers, product of one rational number with any other reciprocal number. This is the division of the rational number, and we can define this as like this. This is as well 1 by 3 into y is there. Y is any other rational number and its reciprocal is this number. So division of two rational numbers is same as the product of one rational number to the reciprocal of the other rational number. Is it clear, students? Yes. I hope so. You have understood this, why we use this method and what is the meaning of this definition here. Is this clear? Always, now you will do always when you have to divide both the rational numbers, then you will use this property. Okay, students? Now let's next property is there. Next property is division of rational number by another rational number is a rational number except 0. Except 0. Now students, there is the next point is division of rational number by another rational number is a rational except 0. Except 0, every rational number, division of every rational number is a rational number. Let's see there. If we have the number 0 and division of this number divided by 1 is equals to 0. But if any other rational number, that is 0 divided by 1 and 1 0 divided by 1 is equals to same 0 by 1 into 1 by 0. You know when 0 is divided by 0, it is the 0. We can write it as rational number. But if we divide both the numbers, we can get 0 by 1 into 1 by 0. Reciprocal of this number is this. Reciprocal means its 0 is below and 1 is at the numerator. So 1 by 0, this is the reciprocal of this number. And if we take product of these two numbers, it can possible. So, except 0, division of any other rational numbers to any other rational number is always the rational number. Now, we will do here that any rational number divided by 1, same property as you have already done in the previous numbers system. X divided by 1 is equals to any number divided by 1 is always the number itself. Is this clear, students? It means any number. Here is number, here rational number. It's the difference here. Now, x divided by x. It means if division of two same rational numbers, we have to divide here, then their result will be the 1 here. Okay, students? Now, here x is the rational number, whether it is non-zero rational number, because 0 is divided by 0, not possible. Now, x divided by y. This is a commutative property you know as well before we have already done. X divided by y, interchanging of order of divisions. These are the dividends here. And if we divide both the numbers, and if the order is changed here, then they never become the equal. Now, this is always equals if x divided by y is equals to reciprocal of y divided by x. If this reciprocal is possible, then this is always equal to this. Is this clear, students? Now, we got to the associative and distributive property. Both are not satisfied, and we are verified here in the worksheet. The questions in the worksheet of associative property and related to distributive properties. Now we will do here the questions. Let's see here. There is the question number first. In the question number 4, first we are doing here only the divisions. Write down these properties before starting the worksheet 5. Is this clear, students? Write down all the properties. If you don't see any word, then see in the book. These are also in the book. Okay, students? Now we will do here to solve the question. Let's see here. Now, students, we are doing here division of two rational numbers are there. There is one rational number x, that is 2 by 5, and this is the rational number y, that is minus 1 by 3. X divided by y. What can we get here? If this is divided and this these are the two rational numbers, it means we have to multiply product of these two numbers, but this number with this reciprocal number. Product of this reciprocal number. 2 by 5 into, this will change into sign product, and this will become as minus 1 by 3 reciprocal, and this will become as 2 by 5 into its reciprocal is 3 is above and 1 is below here, and it's in the standard form. Now its product is 2 3 is 6 minus 6 divided by 5. We will get this answer. Is this clear, students? Now we will go to the next question. Same doing like this. Minus 7 by 4 divided by 1 by 8. Now we have to solve this problem. So same here. Divide, change it into multiply. Minus 7 by 4. This will change it into multiply. After multiplying, we will do what? This numerator is denominator and denominator becomes the numerator. So this will become as 8 by 1 because its reciprocal is 8 by 1. Simply we can say that its reciprocal here 8 by 1. Now 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, and this answer is minus 14 here. Okay students, now we will do here the next question. Minus 10 divided by 1 by 5, and this equals to minus 10 divided changes into multiply, and 5 numerator, denominator, and denominator becomes the numerator. It will opposite to there. Now this will become as minus 50 divided by 1, it is numerator. This is minus 50 here. Now we will do here 1 by 13 divided by minus 2 here. Reciprocal of this number. So reciprocal of this number we can write it as. Now 1 by 13 divided changes into multiply. So and its reciprocal is 1 minus 1 by 2. Because it's in the standard form, minus sign we will not write it there because we have to make it in the standard form. Minus 1, 1 into 1 minus 1, and 13 to the 26. This will get the answer here, minus 1 by 26. Is this clear students? Now we will go to the next question here. Let's see. Now students, we have to solve here the commutative property. Is it satisfied in the division of rational numbers or not? We have to prove there x divided by y is not equals to y divided by x. So let's see here. There is the LHS first. LHS is equals to x divided by y. It must be 3 by 4 divided by minus 5 by 6. And that equals to, again same process, there is the division here, so change it into multiply sign, and minus 5 by 6, reciprocal of this number is 6 by 5, minus 6 by 5, and it will get 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, so no number is cut here, minus 3 3 the 9, and 5 2 the 10. This will become as LHS side. Now we have to solve here the RHS here. And RHS is equals to y divided by x, and that equals to y is minus 5 by 6 divided by x is 3 by 4. Now we will divide it by minus 5 by 6. This changes into the multiplied sign, and reciprocal of this number 3 by 4. Reciprocal of this number is 4 by 3. 4 by 3. 2 3 is 6. 2 2 is 4. Now no number is cut here. Minus 10 by 3 3 is 9. Minus 10 by 9 is there. But students, you are seeing here both are not equal. LHS is not equals to RHS. Hence verified. Then what is the value of this number? How do we calculate if we have to calculate this number x divided by y? So students, you are seeing there x divided by y is equals to the reciprocal of this number y divided by x. Let's see there. There is the number. It's the question completed here. Now minus 9 by 10 and minus 10 by 9. This is equals to reciprocal of this number. This is the LHS here. X divided by y, and this is the RHS here, y divided by x. This is the reciprocal of this number. It means this is equals to reciprocal of this. Minus sign is there, and 9 is above and 10 is below. So minus 9 by 10, and it is same here. It means this is equals to reciprocal of this number. Is this clear? So x divided by y is equals to 1 by y divided by x, or y divided by x reciprocal. Is this clear students? It means always this is equal, but these are not equals. Okay, x divided by y is equals to 1 by y divided by x. Is it clear students? Now we will go to the next question, question number 3. Now students, there is the question number 3. In the question number 3, there is given that two numbers product is given here. That is x into y. It is given x into y. It means product of two numbers, and that equals to minus 3 by 7. And one number is 5 by 21. One number is 5 by 21. And other number we have to find here. To find the other number y, we divide this number divided by this number. divided by this number divided by this number. We get the y here because y is equals to minus 3 by 7 and this will divide it here. Is this clear, students? It means if we divide the product by the one number, we get the another number. So we will divide here. Let's see. Minus 3 by 7 divided by 5 by 21. It must be equals to minus 3 by 7. Divide changes into multiply and numerator changes to denominator and denominator changes to numerator. 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. It will get 3 3 ja minus 9 divided by 5. This will get the answer here. That is other number. Is this clear? Now we will go to the next question. There is also the same question. There is asking that what number should we multiply to this number so that the product becomes a minus 6 by 5. What number should we multiply to minus 3 by 7? What number we will multiply to minus 3 by 7? We will get this product is equals to minus 6 by 5. It means product is given and one number is given. We have to find the another number. Is this clear? Same, product is equals to minus 6 by 5. One number is equals to minus 3 by 7. And we have to find the another number. To find the another number, product is divided by one number. Product is divided by one number. It must get there this. Minus 6 by 5. Divide it changes to multiply and it will get the reciprocal. Changes to reciprocal. Minus 7 by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Minus and minus multiplied there. Plus sign. 7 2 ja 14 and 5 1 ja 5. And this will get 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10 and 4 by 5. We will get here 2 and 4 by 5. This is in the standard form and we will get the another number which should be multiplied to this number to get this product here. Is this clear? Now we will go to the next question. Doing the clear notebook. Now students, there is a question number 5 and part first. In the question number 5, there are given that x, y, z here and we have to prove here that associative property does not hold there. Distributive property is not doesn't hold there. So students, let's see there. In first part we have to verify here. This will not satisfy. This is the under addition operation here. So students, let's see there. There is the LHS side, x divided by x divided by y plus z, and there is RHS, x divided by y plus x divided by z. Let's see there. X is equals to minus 5 by 3 divided by y 2 by 7 and plus z 1 by minus 4. And we will get here minus as in the standard form. So we write it as minus 1 by 4. Now we will get here minus 5 by 3 divided by, we have to solve here, 7 4 ja 28. This is the LCM here and 4 2 ja 8 and plus minus there and 7 1 ja 7 there. And now we will get here minus 5 by 8 divided by 1 by 28 and it will become as minus 5 by 8 into, this will changes to reciprocal of this number 28 by 1. 4 2 ja 8, 4 7 ja 28 and this will get as minus 35 by 2. This is the LHS side here. Okay students, this is the LHS side. Now we have to solve here the RHS side and here we will get the number that this is equals to x divided by y, x minus 5 by 3 divided by y is 2 by 7 and plus x minus 5 by 3 divided by z divided by minus 1 by 4 and it will get here, divide changes into multiply and its reciprocal, minus 5 by 3 into, we solve it, 7 by 2 and plus minus and minus divide there, plus bracket minus 35 by 6, minus 35 by 6 and plus 5 4 20 divided by 3, and we will solve it as LCM is 6 there and minus 35 minus, this is 6 here, minus 35 and plus 3 to just 6 and 2 20 40. We will get it plus 5 by 6, and we will get here that this is 5 by 6, this is the RHS side, this is RHS here. This is RHS here and this is LHS here, and both are not equal, hence verified. LHS is not equals to RHS. LHS is not equals to RHS, hence verified. Is this clear, students? Now we will go to the next part, and same in the next part there is the operation minus here. There is nothing else difference. That x divided by y. X, what is the x here? Minus 5 by 3 divided by y minus z. What is the y here? 2 by 7 and minus, what is the z here? Minus 1 by 4. There is minus here and z is minus 1 by 4. And we will get here minus 5 by 3 divided by, there is the 7 4 ja 28 and 4 2 ja 8 and minus becomes the plus here, and 4 7 ja 28, 7 1 ja 7 here. We will get here that this divided by minus 5 by 3 divided by 15 by 28. Is this clear? Now we have to solve this. Minus 5 by 3 divide changes to multiply and its reciprocal 28 by 15. 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, and we will get it as minus 28 in the above, 28 1 ja 28 and 3 3 ja 9. This will get the answer here. Is this clear, student? This is the LHS side. Now we will solve the RHS side, and this is equals to x divided by y. X is minus 5 by 3 and divided by y. What is the y here? 2 by 7. This is 2 by 7 and minus x. What is the x here? Minus 5 by 3 and divided by z. What is the z here? 1 by minus 4. First we solve these two divisions. Let's see there. Minus 5 by 7 divided change into multiply and 7 by 2. It's the reciprocal, and minus 5 by 3 and divided change into multiply, and this will get is minus 4 by 1. Is this clear, students? Its reciprocal is this and divided changes to multiply. Now we will get here 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, and no one is cut there. Minus 5 by 2 minus, this is minus plus and minus, and 5 4 ja 20 divided by 3. Is this clear, students? Now we will take the LCM here, that is 6. Its LCM is 6 here. Its LCM is 6. 2 3 ja 6, that is minus 15, and minus 3 2 ja 6, 2 22 ja 40, and this will become as minus 5 divided by 6. We will get it, and this is the LHS and this is the RHS. Hence LHS is not equal to RHS, hence verified. Is this clear, students? Now we will go to the part 3rd here. So students, let's see here. Write down these two parts first. Now students, there is the LHS side and there is the RHS side. So first the LHS side here, x plus y. What is the x here? Minus 5 by 3. X is minus 5 by 3 and plus what is the y here, that is 2 by 7 and it's divided by z. What is the z here, that is 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 by minus 4 is minus 1 by 4 in the standard form. So it will become as, and we have to solve now. 3 7 ja 21 there and 3. If 21 is divided by 3, we will get the 7 and 7 5 ja 35 and minus and plus 7 3 ja 21, 3 ja 3 2 ja 6 there and this is, we get it divided by, it's divided by minus 1 by 4. We will get here, this is subtracted here and we will get the minus 29 divided by 21. This will change it to multiply and it's reciprocal minus 4 by 1 here. Okay students, now we will solve it. Minus and minus becomes a plus, product of minus and minus, and 29 4 ja. This is becomes the answer LHS here. Now we will solve here the RHS side. X divided by z, y divided by z. X is minus 5 by 3 and divided by z. Z is minus 1 by 4 and plus y divided by z. Y is 2 by 7 divided by z is minus 1 by 4. Now we will solve it. Minus 5 by 3 multiply changes to, divide changes to multiply and we will get here the reciprocal of this number is minus 4 and plus 2 by 7 divided changes to multiply and this is minus 4 by 1 here. And no number is cut there, minus and minus plus 5 for the 20 by 3. This is equals to 20 by 3 and plus 7. This is 7 here and this is minus 8 here. And now we have to add both the numbers. 20 by 3 plus and minus is there, 8 by 7. Now we have to solve these two numbers. There is LCM is 21, 3, 7 ja 21, 7 20 ja 140 minus 7 3 ja 21, 3 8 ja 24. We will get here 6, 3 minus 2 1 and 116 divided by 21 and both values are same here. It means these are verified here. There is the equality here. Is this clear students? We are seeing there that x plus y divided by z. It is always satisfied here. This property is satisfied here. X plus y divided by z is equals to x divided by z and plus y divided by z. Somewhere it is verified or somewhere it is not verified. We have this property as well before that x plus y, x divided by y plus z is not equals to x divided by y plus x divided by z. Is this clear students? But this will verify here. Okay students, now we will go to the next question, question number 6. Write down this question. Now students, you are seeing there is the question, that is length of a rope is given here and a man cut this rope into so many pieces here, but they are all equal pieces. This is cut into the equal pieces and one equal piece, every equal piece length is 4 by 9 meters, but total rope is 40 meters. This is 40 meters and one is 4 by 9, one is 4 by 9, one is 4 by 9. So just like that, how many pieces we have got here? How many pieces we have got there? How many pieces we are get here? It means we have to divide this 40. If we distribute any one thing into equal parts, we get the division there. We have to do division here. divided by 4 by 9. And it must be equals to 40. Divide changes to multiply and its reciprocal becomes here 9 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 0. 10 9 ja 90 pieces we have to do here of 4 by 9 meter length pieces. Is this clear, students? There is a rope whose length is 40 meter and a man cut this rope into some pieces, into some equal pieces, and one piece length is 4 meter, 4 by 9 meter, another is 4 by 9 meter, another is 4 by 9 meter. Just do like this, and we have to distribute this meter into the 4 by 9 meters. If we have to equal parts, if we will do here the equal parts, then we will division there, and it's divided by this. It means this is equals to 90 pieces. Is this clear, students? Now we will go to the next worksheet, worksheet 6. Now students, there is a worksheet 6 here. In worksheet 6, there is rational numbers, rationals between two rational numbers. There are given here the two rational numbers, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Two rational numbers are given here. We have to find what are the numbers between these two numbers. What are the rational numbers between these two rational numbers? How many rational numbers can we find there? There is a, you know as well, this is the 1 by 2, or this is 1 by 4 and this is 1 by 2, and this is the number line here, and there is the number 0 here. We have to find here that this is rational numbers between these two rational numbers. There are two rational numbers. Find out how many rational numbers are there, and find out how much rational numbers we can find there. So students, we are seeing there in the number line, we are seeing there that between two numbers, any rational number, irrational number, integers, any two integers, anything else, between two numbers we can find so many rational numbers. Let's see there, let's suppose there you have these two numbers, this and this. These two numbers are there, and we have this gap. This gap also has so many infinite rational numbers are there. We can find so many rational numbers. So between two rational numbers we can find infinitely many rational numbers. This is the answer. Between two integers we can find as many as rational numbers as we like. Okay students, so we have the definition, and also we have to find the rational number between x and y. Between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 we have to find the number between these two numbers. Between these two numbers we have to find one number. Then we will do here, x plus y divided by 2. This will be the formula here to find the rational number between two rational numbers. Is this clear, students? So we will do to solve these questions. First we will solve first question. There is the first question. We have to correct the following statements. There are the statements given here, and we have to correct these statements. There is given first statement, between two rational numbers. Between two rational numbers we can find only one rational number. Only one rational number is there. There is only one rational number. No, we can find here the infinitely many rational numbers. Between two rational numbers, correct this statement. This statement is wrong here, so we will correct it as we can find infinitely many rational numbers. There is given only one rational number. Given in the question here, only one rational number can we find? No, because we can find infinitely many rational numbers between two rational numbers. Is this clear? Now second statement is, between two rational numbers we can find as many integers as we like. No, because as we can find as many as rational numbers we can like. Is this clear, students? As many as rational numbers we can find here as we like. Is this clear? Now the third problem is, between two integers we can find as many integers as we like. This is the integer here. that is minus 1, and that is minus 2, and that is minus 1. Can we find any integer between these two numbers? No, we can't find any integer because between these two integers there is no integer value. Okay students, its next integer value is 0 here, its next integer value is minus 3, but in between these two numbers we cannot never find here the integer value. So it's this statement is also wrong. We correct it. Between two integers we can find as many as rational numbers as we like. Between two integers we can find as many as rational numbers as we like here. Is this clear student? There are infinite rational numbers between two rational numbers and between two integers also. Is this clear? Now we have to go to will go to the question number 2. In the question number 2, find rational number between two rational numbers. So we have the formula x plus y by 2 is a rational number between these two numbers. There are two numbers and we have to find here the rational number between these two numbers. So let's see here, x plus y divided by 2, and that equals to 2 plus 4 divided by 2. This will get here 2 plus 4, that is 6 divided by 2 and 2, 2 3 is 6. What is the number between these two numbers? That is 3 here. Is this clear? This will get the answer. Now we will do the next question. Minus 2 and minus 6 is there. This number, find the rational number between these two numbers, is equal to minus 2 plus minus 6 x plus y divided by 2. And x plus y, minus 2 minus 6 divided by 2. Plus and minus multiplied there, minus. And same sign sum. It means minus 6 and 2. Sum of these two numbers is 8. And the same sign is there. Minus sign is there. And there is the 2, and the 2, 2, 4 is 8. And this equals to minus 4 is there. Is this clear? Now we will find the rational number between these two rational numbers. So we will find here x plus y divided by 2. So let's see here, x is 1 by 4 and plus y is minus 3 by 4, and we have to divide here by 2. So we will get there, this is 4 LCM of these two numbers, and 1 plus minus 1 minus 3, and it will divided by 2. So it will get here minus 2 by 4, and it will divided by 1 means divided by 2, that equals to minus 2 by 4. Divide and change into multiply, and its reciprocal gets changed into 2 by 1 by 2 here. 2 in the 2, 2 in the 2, and that equals to minus 1 by 4. This will get the number between 1 by 4 and minus 3 by 4. Now we will go to the next question, that is, let's see there. Now we will solve this question. Minus 2 by 3 and minus 7 by 3, x plus y divided by 2, and it will get as minus 2 by 3 plus minus 7 by 3 and divided by 2 here, and this equals to minus 2 by 3 plus and minus 7 by 3, and it will divided by 2 here. Now its LCM is 3, minus 2 minus 7 divided by 2, and it's equals to minus 9 by 3 and divided by 2, and that's equals to minus 9 by 3 multiplied, this is 1 by 2 here. 3 1 is 3, 3 is 9, and that equals to minus 3 by 2. This will get the answer here. Between these two numbers, this is the rational number between these two numbers. Is this clear, students? Now we will go to the next question. Let's see there. Now students, we are solving here. Insert 3 rational numbers. Now we have to find here 3 rational numbers between 2 rational numbers. In the previous question, we have find only the 1 rational number between 2 rational numbers. So first we will find 1 rational number between 2 rational numbers. And then we will get here 1, 2, 3 numbers are there. Then 1 between these two numbers and 1 between these two numbers. We will get the 3 rational numbers. Let's see here. This is equals to 13 is LCM there, 4 plus 1, and and divided by 2. It must be equals to 5 by 3 divided by 2, and this must be equals to 5 by 13 into 1 by 2, and it will get as 5 by 26. Between these two numbers, 4 by 13 and 5 by 26. One number between these two numbers. We will get here 4 by 13 plus 5 by 26. This will divided by 2 here. We will get one number between these two numbers. 4 by 13. This is the LCM here, that is 26. 13 2 ja 26, 4 2 ja 8, and plus 5 divided by 2. 13 by 26, and we will get here 1 by 2, and this is 13 by 52. One number is this, and we can find one another number, that is between 5 by 26 and 1 by 13. This number 4 by 13, in between these two numbers, one number we will get here 5 by 26. First we will find 4 by 13 and 5 by 26, we will get this number, and then we will get one number from 5 by 26 and 1 by 13. 5 by 26 and 1 by 13, it equals to 26 is the LCM here, and this will get as the 5, and there we will get here plus, and 13 2 ja 26, it means 1. First we will write it as 5 by 26 plus 1 by 13 divided by 2, and let's see there, this will become as, there is LCM 26 and 5 plus 13 2 ja 26, it means 2 1 ja 2 here, and it will divided by 2, that equals to 5 plus 2 7 by 26 into 1 by 2, and that equals to 7 by 52. This will get as the another number. Is this clear, students? One number is 13 by 52, one number is 7 by 52, and one number is 5 by 26. These three numbers are we have find here. Now we will get the next question there. Same doing like this. One number find between these two numbers. Minus 7 by 10 plus 11 by 10 divided by 2. We will get here that LCM is 10 minus 7 plus 11 divided by 2. Is this clear, students? Now this implies minus 7 by 11. This will get as 4, and by 10 divide changes to multiply, and 1 by 2 is reciprocal. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. We will get here the 1 by 5 as the between these two numbers, 1 by 5. 1 by 5, first we will find one number between these two numbers, and then we will find between these two numbers. There is minus 7 by 10 and 1 by 5. First we will get the one number from these two numbers. So again same method, minus 7 by 10 plus 1 by 5 divided by 2. Again same doing like this. This is the 10 here, LCM is 10 here, and we will get the minus 7 and plus 5 2 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, and it will divided by 2. Now we will get here minus different sign difference. It means minus 5 by 10 divided by 2 here, and it will multiply 2 by 1, minus 5 by 10. Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, and it will get as minus 1. One number we will get here minus 1, and one is 1 by 5. Now in the last we have to find the 1 by 5 and 11 by 10. One number between 1 by 5 and 11 by 10. So we will get here 1 by 5 and 11 by 10. So it will become as 1 by 5 plus 11 by 10 divided by 2. It will become as 1 by 5. There is the LCM 10 here, and 5 2 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, plus 10 1 ja 10, 11, and divided by 2. It will become as, and this will get here 13 by 10. It will become as 13 by 10 divide changes into multiply, and 1 by 2 its reciprocal, and this will get 13 by 20. This will get as the answer here. Now we will go to the next question. There is a next question here, minus 4 by 3 and minus 19 by 3. Write down these two questions first. Write down these two questions. Now students, we are solving here this part, and this will become as minus 4 by 3 plus minus 19 by 3. It will divided by 2 here, and we will get here that this is equals to minus, there is the LCM 3, minus 4 plus minus 19. Minus 4 plus minus 19 divided by 3 and divided by 2 here. Is this clear? Now this will become as minus 19 minus 4. That is minus 23. This will divided by 3 and divide changes to multiply. And what is the reciprocal of this number? That is 1 by 2. And it will become as minus 23 divided by 6 here. Is this clear, students? Now we will go to the one number is find between these two numbers. There is minus 23 divided by 6. Now we will find one number between these two numbers and one rational number between these two numbers. So same method, minus 4 by 3 and minus 23 by 6, which we have find here. So this will become as minus 4 by 3 plus minus 23 by 6. It will divided by 2 and it will become, there is the LCM 6 here, 3 2 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, minus 8 is there and plus minus is there, 6 1 ja 6, it will become as 23. So students, let's see there, minus 23 minus 8, that is minus 31 and divided by 6, sorry, it will divided by 2 and this becomes 1 by 2 here. Okay students, now we will go to it that minus 31 divided by 12. This will be the one number, and next number, for the next number we have to find here, one number is this, one number is this, and now we have to find minus 23 by 6 and that is minus 19 by 3. Now we will get one number between these two numbers. So same method, minus 23 by 6 plus minus 19 by 3, it will divide by 2. Now again, there is the LCM 6, minus 23 plus and minus is there, divide 6 by 3, 3 2 ja 6, minus 38 and it will divided by 2. And we will get it that here is 61, minus of 61 divided by 6 into 1 by 2 and it will become as minus 61 divided by 12, and one number we will get here between these two numbers, minus 61 divided by 12. Okay students, now we will go to the next question, that is fourth part. Write down this question first. Now students, we are solving here the rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Same method. First adding these two numbers, 1 by 8 plus minus 15 by 8 and it will be divided by 2 here. And we will get here the LCM is 8 here and 1 plus minus and 15 and it will be divided by 2. Now we will get here that minus 14 divided by 8 into 1 by 2. It is reciprocal is 1 by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14 and that equals to minus 7 by 8. Is this clear students? Minus 7 by 8 is the answer here. This is the one number, one rational number between two rational numbers. Now we will get the another rational number between these two rational numbers. One number from this and one number from this. So 1 by 8 and minus 7 by 8, that equals to 1 by 8 minus 7 by 8 plus minus 7 by 8. It will be divided by 2. The LCM is 8 here, 1 plus minus 7 and it will be divided by 2. It must be equals to minus 1 minus 7, that is minus 6 divided by 8 and it will change it to multiply and its reciprocal is 1 by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. Its answer is minus 3 by 8. One number is this and another number is we have to find from these between these two numbers. Minus 7 by 8 and minus 15 by 8 and we will get here that minus 7 by 8 and plus minus 15 by 8. We will get this number. LCM is 8 minus 7 minus plus and minus multiplying to minus 15 and that is minus 22 divided by 8 and it is divided by 2 here and it will multiply and its reciprocal changes to 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 11 ja minus 11 by 8 is a third rational number. Is this clear, students? So we have find these like any rational number. How so many rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Between these two rational numbers we can find so many rational numbers type of this. Is this clear, students? Now write down these questions. Now students, you are seeing there find 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. There we have to find here 5 rational numbers. So students, you are seeing here there is the one number here and there is the second number here. In the second number there is the modulus sign here and for modulus sign what did it mean? Negative of negative this number. Negative of this number is positive. It means minus 4 by 7 it will become the positive here and 4 by 7. Is this clear? So students, it will get between these two numbers we will have minus 4 by 7, minus 3 by 7, minus 2 by 7, minus 1 by 7 and 0 by 7 is 0 and 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7. We write it as these are 7 and we can write any 5 from these numbers. Now we have to write here the 5 rational numbers. So we can write here as there is not between numbers, this is the between numbers. And now we write here minus 8 by 3 and it will become as positive. It will be 8 by 3. Now we will have these two numbers minus 7 by 3, minus 6 by 3, minus 5 by 3 and 0, 5 by 3. Do like this. All these numbers we can write it. Minus 4 by 3. Write only 5 rational numbers. Minus 3 by 3 that is minus 1. Minus 2 by 3, minus 1 by 3 and 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3 that is 1, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3, 7 by 3. All these numbers we can write here and we can write here only 5 rational numbers. Only 5 rational numbers. Any 5 rational numbers you can write from these numbers. Okay students, this will the completed here the worksheet 5 and worksheet 6. So students, do in the fair notebook these two exercises. Okay students, have a nice day. Bye students.